Ever noticed the prices of everything goes up in the weeks leading to Chinese New Year?
They jack up the prices of everything, from food to haircut.
I've been told by my friends to go down to Chinatown during the eve of Chinese New Year because everything will go on sale. So this year, I've decided to take a walk in Chinatown during the eve of Chinese New Year. Let's see if this is true and what kind of bargains I can get. I'm certainly seeing a lot more for sale signs now. The durians are just as expensive. But then again, this is not a Chinese New Year item.
买2包送1包啊！
台湾给你啊，试一下，
好啊。
很好卖。
哇，那么多怎么卖得完？
卖的啊。
卖得完吗？今天？
可以啊。
哇！
I started my journey at about 5 p.m. And I noticed that the prices are getting cheaper as the night wears on. Some of the things here are going for about $1. This used to be $2, but now it's going for $1. In my earlier vlogs, you would have seen me sampling peanuts here with my daughter. That's about 2 weeks ago. You can now pick up one packet of peanuts and get the second one free. These oranges, they were selling for about $30 to $40 a box, and now it's going for $5. Should I get some? I usually bake my own Chinese New Year goodies, but this year, work has kept me very busy. Then I came across this shop that sold 11 bottles of Chinese New Year goodies for only $10. It's time to stock up.
Okay, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, one more. Okay, 11.
Oh, look at these love letters. I bought one bottle at $5 at the beginning of this trip, and now they're selling it for 3 for $10. And that is only 3 hours later. So the prices are certainly getting lower as the night wears on. If you're looking for a bargain during Chinese New Year, come down to Chinatown during the eve of Chinese New Year. This is when all the seasonal products will be going on discount, and the closer you get to midnight, the cheaper they will be. I think I did pretty well for myself tonight.